Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please click on subscribe button and do click on the bell icon as well, so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on regular basis. So now let us continue with the discussion of gold versus US dollar from where we left off yesterday, and let us see that how much profit or loss did we made from our yesterday's analysis in comparison to today. Okay, so when we were discussing yesterday on the 5th of June, market was trending over here. So once we marked this area as our area of short-term resistance, and you guys can clearly see once this area was tested and broken, market gave us a very good move and gave us some good profit. So let me check that how much profit we would have made. So over here, you guys can clearly see that this would be our first take profit. Let me zoom in. Yes. Okay, over here. So this will be our first entry point. Over here, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, which is 4.1%, which is amazing profit. And then afterwards, market gave us another opportunity when market retested our area of resistance. So we could have taken an entry over here. Our stop loss would be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 5.1% profit. So both of these trades would have given us very good profits, and after that market has not retested our area of resistance, and now we will form the new area of resistance because this area has been broken and convincingly as well, and now this area is now being retested. Okay, so now we will mark new areas of support and resistance so you guys can easily take trades in this gold tomorrow as well. Okay, so let me take out these arrows first so you guys can easily try to understand these trades. And if you guys have any questions, just let us know in the comment section, and we will try our best to ensure and give you the best information as much as possible. Okay, so now you guys can clearly see that what market is doing over here is that market is in a sideways direction currently, and market is now making new highs. Okay, now you guys can for example, let me show you that there was this huge positive trend of buying. Now once market has stopped this buying action, market broke below this support. This support area was broken, and now this area, this support area will become the area of uh, uh, support. Actually, now this has been broken. This was an area of previously an area of resistance. Okay, and now even this area is now broken. Okay, you guys can see that market made this low, then market made this low, then market made this low, and afterwards when market retested these two lows, this support became a very weak area, and then market switched upwards and broke past its area of resistance, and now this area will become an area of support actually. Okay, so now let us shift forward, and now my estimate is that market might come back to this area, but market will continue its momentum upwards. Okay, so now let us move our areas of support and resistance so you guys can easily take trades in this pair tomorrow as well. So the area of resistance will now be approximately this area. Yes, and the short term area of support will now shift to this area. Okay, and this major support area will now be this. Okay, so this will now become the major area of support. Okay, so I hope that it is clear and there is no rocket science. We can also check it out in the longer time frame as well. How market is behaving, you guys can clearly see that the major trend in this long term time frame is also of buying and buying, and there is a good chance that market might make a push upwards. Okay, so let us go back to the 1 hour chart and mention our areas of mention our areas of support and resistance now on the chart, so you guys can easily take trade in this pair tomorrow. Okay, market is trending over here, so it will somehow work like this. Yes, around there, around here. Okay, I hope that it is clear and there is no rocket science in this scenario. Okay, so just follow this key for entries method and I hope that you guys will be successful. Now let me mention the new area of resistance for the 6th of June, which will be 2360, 2360, and the major area of resistance will be 2369, 2369. So the major area of support will be 2331, 2331, and the major area of support will be 2320, 320. Okay, so that's all for gold for today. I hope that you guys will be making good profits today as well on the 6th of June, and that's all. And now let us move forward and discuss the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair from where we left off yesterday. Okay, so this was a good pair, I think. Yes, market gave us some good opportunities. Okay, so as you guys can see that market is in a sideways direction. There is no real direction over here. Only the sentiment is positive, so our preference would be to stay in the positive side of the market. But again, if you guys would have preferred to stay in the selling as well, if you guys are that kind of trader who like to trade all kind of situations, then today would be a good day for you in this GBP USD pair, because when we were discussing yesterday, market was trending over here and market stayed just below our area of resistance and came down and approximately almost tested our area of this short-term support and closed above. So only if you guys were extremely vigilant, then maybe you guys could have taken this entry as well. Even if you guys have missed this entry, then there was this sell entry available over here and another sell entry was available over here, and maybe you guys could have taken these two sell entries, which were very good. Okay, and the total profit you guys could have booked would be 8.4%, and in the next trade, which was over here, your stop loss would be just above the previous candle and your take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a minimum take profit of approximately 3.3%. Okay, so overall good scenarios, and if you guys would have taken this by entry, then you guys would have made a total profit of approximately till here, which is 3.1%. Okay, so overall, very good scenarios were executed in this GBP USD pair, and still market is sideways with favorable momentum towards buying side. Okay, so for the 6th of June, the areas are going to remain same. So let me just simply move forward these scenarios so you guys can easily take trades tomorrow as well. And if you guys have any confusion, just let me know in the comment section and I will make sure to get back to each and every one of you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all for the GBP USD pair. Now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro USD pair, and let us see that what happened over here. So you guys can clearly see that market is in somehow in buying momentum. I marked two supports, and which was a clear indication that we were looking for some buying indicators. And you guys can clearly see that the buying is the stronger trend. Okay, so now let us see that how much profit we would have made in this pair after trading yesterday's discussion. Okay, so when we were discussing yesterday, market was trending over here. So if we would have taken this entry, maybe we would have hit our stop loss, or maybe we could have at least just break even the trade over here. our take profit will be approximately over here, which is 0.4%, which means that we would have at least break even this trade. And then market gave us another opportunity to buy from here. You guys can clearly see that this candle has closed just above our short term marked area of support. Okay, so if you guys would have taken this entry, your stop loss will be just below this previous candle and your take profit will be approximately over here, and this trade would have given you guys a take profit of 4.2%, which is amazing. Okay, and then afterwards, even this candle, this green candle gave us another opportunity to buy. So if you guys would have taken an entry over here, your stop loss will be just below this previous candle and your take profit will be approximately till here, and this trade would have given you guys a take profit of 2.06%, which is once again amazing. Risk to reward ratio of 1 by 2% would have been achieved in both of your trades, and they were amazing. Okay, then market gave us this huge spike in the buying entry. So only if you guys would have made a limit order from here, then you guys could have benefited from this entry. But again, I would not really recommend to trade it during these kind of candles, because these huge candles are not a good sign for a short term trader. Okay, because in these huge candles there is a huge chance that we are going to hit our stop losses more often than we are going to hit our take profits. Okay, so the levels of resistance and support are going to remain same. So now just let me move forward these scenarios so you guys can easily take trades in this pair tomorrow as well. And if you guys have any confusion, just let me know in the comment section, and I will make sure to get back to each and every one of you guys as soon as possible. And if you guys do not understand that how do I take these entries and how do I manage these exits, just watch my videos carefully, and I hope that you guys will understand. All my entries are based on the key for entries method, and my take profits are just based on the on my own decided levels of take profit. If it is 1 by 2%, 1 by 4%, whatever I have decided as a take profit ratio. Okay, but as ground rules, I do not risk more than 1% of my total equity, and I always break even my trade once my trade has is in a positive direction of at least 0.3%. Okay, so that's all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.